Okay, today we have a Skoda Yeti in, 2012. So we've just done our water leak checks. We're just going to show you what we found so far. So if we come to the driver's side, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the sunroof pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour a little bit of water down into this cassette. And what that then does is it travels down the A-pillars and then out by where the doors are. So as we can see, that one's running lovely there. We've got no water on the driver's front and no water on the driver's back, and there's no evidence of any water in the boot as well. So if we now come and repeat the same procedure on this side. So this side is the one which has got the wetness in it. So obviously we can see the mould spores there. Right, okay, so we're going to go back up to the cassette again. We're going to put some water in this cassette, and what it is actually doing is the cassette is actually blocked on this side on the pipe. So as we can see there's no water coming through, but if we can see here, it's now starting to trickle in here. So what it's doing is it's backing up the back of the pipe, and then when it gets to the top of the pipe, it then comes over onto the top of the headlining, runs down the A-pillars. So it runs down inside here, because this has normally got a cover over it. And then it then drops down behind your glove box, and we can see the rusty point there where it's been X in, and then what it then does is it goes down there, comes out the bottom, and then goes into the carpet. So we can see that we've got a mark in the carpet, but if I just quickly lift this up here, so it's very damp. And that's soaking wet up there. So the bulkhead sponge is quite thick, so we're probably going to recommend 2 nights dry on that one now. So it's blocked, but if we have a quick look inside, we can see that it's been caught here. So it looks like it's crimped a little bit, so it's possible that's where the dirt's getting stuck, and then obviously backing up from there. The only problem is obviously we do recommend maybe putting a new pipe in there, but if we're going to do the one, we normally advise to do all 4, because then we know what sort of age they are. This does look like it has come out before, because this isn't factory, the cable ties. So there we go. And if we come around to the back footwell, we can see the mould starting to grow there, because that's obviously where the water is sitting. So to get that nice and dry, we'd have to obviously remove the seat, get the carpet up, suck out as much water as we can, and then put our super dryer in there overnight, because obviously it's all been condensating in the car, so it'll dry the car out completely. Any more details, just click the link down below,